Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I'll tell you how to sell AliExpress products on Amazon. So firstly, you should find and select products with good reviews and reliable shipping and reliable seller. Then go to Amazon and upload the photos of the product. Write your own description of that product and set a price that is of course higher than what it costs on AliExpress so that you make a profit. When someone orders from you on Amazon, go back to AliExpress, place an order and ship it directly to customer's address. It's very convenient because you don't need to hold any stock because it's all drop shipped. Just one more thing, that you should keep your customer updated with tracking information and respond quickly if they have any questions. So that's it. I hope this video helps you, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.